Hello everyone, welcome back to Unfiltered with Bajrangi. Today we have another guest. He is Narayan or Nashedi, whatever it looks like. So, can you introduce yourself first?
Whatever it looks like. Okay, so hello, my name is Narayan. I go by the word Nshedi. But people say Nshedi, including my mother for some reason. I come from this very hated place called as Thane. But my friends stay in Gansoli. But yeah, and yeah, I'm a comedian, a stand-up comedian, writer, and a full-time therapy patient.
Full-time therapy patient. Because you're a Nashedi.
Yeah.
How did you got that name? I just want to know that.
I was actually sitting and watching a movie with a friend of mine. I'm not taking which movie. And when you're sitting with friend, you'll always have an unfiltered opinion about something, correct? And sometimes it'll be very sexist. It'll just come out because it's just there. So when I made that opinion,
Yeah.
she said, "Bhai, you're very shady vibes there." And I think that stuck with me. And I didn't know what to do with that name. So when I started comedy journey, then I thought, I'll keep this. That's
You got so serious with it. You mentioned yourself over there. You mentioned your Instagram handle, and then you got up that look as well. It's like, eh.
I mean, I would say I am like I've been a desperate all my life. So I think when I started comedy, it was very easy for me to channel the desperation in the right way.
But how did you get into comedy?
I think people get into comedy because they have failed in other things in life.
Now let's name the
No,
failures.
wait. I got into it. But my therapist cannot see this.
Therapist का नाम लीजिए.
No, but I think I didn't get into comedy. I just first I got into. I was doing acting before.
Okay.
I was not in relationships. You can't act in relationships. But I was into theater and I went to creative stuff. And then I always used to get roles which are funny, which are I never had an issue making fool of myself. Correct, never had that. So the pandemic hit one, which is amazing. I love COVID. Population come kar diya. So and yeah, because so then pandemic hone ke baad, I think one day I just went to an open mic. Yeah, I went to an open mic, picked up the microphone because I had a lot of stories to tell. होता है ना.
भर के रखा था.
Correct.
बात करने में कोई नहीं है pandemic में.
Correct.
Okay.
And we all have stories to tell, right? Yeah, there was a lot of beating going on. I'm just saying. So then I started the open mic, and then it's sit. When I picked up the microphone and I had a bunch of jokes talking about my mom or something like that.
Yeah.
It's sit. No, that fuck this. I like doing this. This is naturally, I'm good at it, and I don't mind failing at it.
You got a kick off it.
Correct. Exactly.
like भाई कर रहा हूँ बढ़िया चल रहा मजा आ रहा है.
Correct. That is the origin story. I just picked up the microphone and just started saying that.
But then when you just started, there must be like some moments where you're like, भाई तो बहुत बकवास हो गया.
Even now it is happening.
कि भाई बहुत तगड़ा चला गया.
Even
Even
I have 30 face always.
Share me your worst moment and the best moment as well.
The worst moment is when I started when I approached an event, and they had a room full of 14 people, like 14 people.
1-4.
1-4. Yeah, that's
बहुत
a lot
ज़्यादा
of
नहीं है?
comedy for some reason.
Like 14 हो गए अब तो.
14, yeah. So then 14 people, and I think it was an open mic. So it's an open mic, so then you are like waiting for your turn to come. Correct?
Okay.
Baaki log aayenge. So by that time I went from 14, it went to 4.
Oh shit. That's the worst that would happen.
Because people get up and hota hai na, this is the most Indian thing. People get up and leave when they want to. Correct?
Yeah.
So they would get up and leave. तब तक मेरी बारी आ गई थी. They were like, oh, fucking what? They were like 4 people. 2 of them are lawyers. One of them is a woman activist.
They are already sitting with it like, तू कोशिश कर ले मैं नहीं ऐसे डाली.
And I think that was the worst moment because my jokes were very bad. But then I
How bad? Like I wanna listen.
No. Bad enough for them to leave the room.
That's okay.
It's okay. So
The feminine jokes.
नहीं. That itself is a joke. So sorry. Not going to do this, yeah. It is just fuck, shut up, Don't do it. Okay. The fact is that they laugh. So then that happened, It really sets with you because as a comedian you're trying and it really gets to you. Because it's very personal. लाइक मेरे को बुरा कमेंट्स को बुरा लगता है जब भी आप लिखते हो और फिर जोक बोलते हो, एक एंटिसिपेशन है आपके दिमाग पे that fuck, this is the joke, this is what I'm gonna tell and this is the reaction I'm expecting. होता है, ये वर्क कर रहे
रिएक्शन के लिए लोग ही चार बैठे थे वो बड़े
हैं। मैंने कुर्सी खींचा, it was a small club, mostly happens in cafes.
Yeah.
कुर्सी खींचा, मैं बैठा के ऐसा बोला, let's do a close comedy, let's all do like man what do you
Now
do?
it's more over like a podcast.
Exactly.
like चार ही तो लोग बैठे कर लेंगे कुछ तो
Yeah, that was the worst moment.
Yeah.
There are multiple worst moments. There's one more where I had to perform in an old age home. I had to make 80-year-old, 70-year-old when people laugh.
Okay.
And I don't know how I did it. They gave me sympathy laughs.
That's what I was thinking and laughing at. What I can do now. How did you got into that situation? Like you have to go and do it comedy over there.
They called me.
They called.
They're like, "Then आपके वीडियो अच्छे ही करेंगे."
नहीं they're like sir थेरेपी के पैसे खत्म सर आ जाइए डॉक्टर वही बाहर है एक हफ्ते के लिए इनको जिंदा रखना है
God. Because when you're starting the comedy journey, it was like you are शुरुआत में it's like a relationship. honeymoon phase होता है,
हाँ.
6 महीने का honeymoon phase होता
थोड़ा
है,
सा.
ठीक है, वो honeymoon phase में जितना आपको करना है, रोना है, ट्रायल एंड एरर फेस करने का आपको. So then you figure out a lot in that phase, right? Your comedy, your rhythm, your voice, your tone, correct? So then I went over there and I didn't care. I genuinely didn't care about a joke not working.
Okay.
And I realized that after a very long time because industry में ऐसे लोग तो दबाने वाले बहुत हैं, ठीक है? They'll tell you the joke's not working. I've been in that situation where मैंने एक private show डाला था comedy Bandra पे. So one of my friend was he also a producer. बोला उसको private show कर रहा हूँ, नहीं जा, अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. Direct सीधा. I don't think it's gonna work out. Fuck dude, are you my mom?
Did you still do it?
Yeah, I did it. I got like after Bheek Mangavai, I got like 2 people to sit in there, and then they sat and they listened. The thing about comedy is that it's very tough to get audience in the comedy industry. It really is. But once you have consistency, more importantly, people genuinely like you. You should just make do with what you have. That's what it is. You know, so not like a relationship.
There is a bit of honeymoon that's gonna end actually and you never know like इतना ही तो हो गया अब क्या करूँ मैं give me the best experience you had on stage especially I want to know about the best audience experience you might would have had the interaction
Oh, best.
Yeah.
Best audience. I had a couple. The best one was I used to get heckled a lot.
yeah
So in the comedy that जब भी perform कर रहा था लोग बीच में बोलते हैं. They think it's a TED talk for some reason. Correct. So they think
तो पॉडकास्ट की फीलिंग आ जाती है like यही बैठ के तो बोल रहा है
So I got heckled once and this lady she heckled me
Okay.
3-4 times. So what I did was I got her on the stage. So देखो इतना ही बात करना पसंद है इधर आइए.
You were a crowd of how much?
Ma'am, a crowd of like 10-15 people.
Okay.
Good pack.
And now you called her on stage.
Yeah, she was heckling everybody. Okay, every comedian was getting heckled, you know, when she was talking. And when my turn came, I got आपको पसंद है. I put that video
Now you're
on
like,
Instagram.
अब तेरा भाई
अब तेरा
लेगा
भाई।
तुम लोग बैठो आराम से
Give her the microphone. Like, आप बताइए आप कहाँ से हो, क्या करना चाहते हैं?
Where was she from?
I didn't give a damn. Okay.
I didn't know again she's from Gancholi.
You want friends? You don't want friends. Don't do that.
बाहर में पकड़ के
Yeah, but that was the first heckling moment, and and the thing with heckling is the hecklers रहते हैं ना comedy में, like hecklers बहुत करते हैं. कुछ लोग पता ही नहीं वो लोग heckling कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? They do like they वाह ऐसे कर देते हैं. And I'm like, dude, that's not I'm not singing कव्वाली to do वाह. Right? You just clap your hand and just mind your business. So I had support. There's a thing called as supportive heckling and destructive heckling. Supportive heckling is what happened. एक बार हुआ था बंदा बोला भाई तू बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, thank you so much. And I'm like, oh thank you sir, that's good. And the second best thing which happened is after the show, once I got better, a lot of people was there. After the show, people walk up to you, bro. They walk up to you, grab your hand and say, भाई क्या I loved your act. You really made me day. You made my day. You're really funny. Thank you so much. These are things they personally tell you, right? That sits with you.
Wow.
That is something any artist, anybody walking up to an
Like,
artist
it's-
and telling them
it's the
appreciating them.
finest thing for an artist, like someone is
Correct.
coming, walking
Yes.
towards him and be like, dude, you made my day.
Yes.
That's the perfect
Yes.
moment.
Somebody grabbing your hand and telling you, I really liked your show. I loved your act. Right? Thank you so much. That sits with you, dude. That was a highlight. When I got something like that, I said, I want this again and again and again. I'll do it.
Now that gives you a better kick.
Kick,
Okay,
absolutely.
now I'm gonna write better. I'm
Better
gonna do
jokes.
better. Okay.
So, yeah.
I wanna know about the dating experience of yours as a. सोच के आया था मैं घर से.
Dating experience. Are you talking about weekly? No. Dating,
आदमी वैसे ही चलता है.
no, dating experience. I can tell you what you want to know about my dating experience as a comedian.
As a comedian. As a comedian.
As a comedian. Dating experience as a comedian is very painful because there's a stereotype in the market that बनती गई तो गई पर material मिल गया.
एक जाने वाले कंटेंट तो देखे गए.
Yes. That is a stereotype for every fucking comedian. लड़का और लड़की दिल टूटा तो मटेरियल मिल गया तेरे को. पोएट्स तो रोज ही रोते हैं कहानी दिल टूटने वाली. I'm so sorry. Don't talk about poets right now. I would say dating has gotten little better because sometimes women enjoy good. Yeah, it's a myth. If you're funny, you don't get a woman. Don't be in that illusion that just because you're bloody funny, you're gonna get a woman. Because it's not true. Because Johnny Sins is not funny.
भाई पर्सनल हो रहा है.
So my experience with dating is it's been good and it's also been bad, but it's also like Bumble का सीन होता है. Bumble का थोड़ा वो.
You use Bumble?
I've been a prime member of Bumble. I've been very regular with Bumble. Unlike my therapy sessions.
आगे.
So that's been my dating career right
Now just tell me about how do you actually write jokes? I mean, I know that you haven't frequently been doing open mics and all the performances and you're going to different shows. I just want to know, how do you sit and write? That's what I want to know.
So my writing process is basically mostly impromptu. I have to go out, I have to be around people or think about a particular subject, and I don't sit down and write.
Okay.
So I have to rehearse. I have to talk about a subject. I talk to myself a lot. Yeah, that's how lonely I am. So I talk to myself.
भाई तेरी भी वाले को पैसे देना कम देगा.
मैं 4,000 बच रहे हैं. So I'm just saving. But my process
तेरी
of
पे भी
writing.
4,000 लगते हैं.
नहीं.
मेरे भी नहीं.
अलग चीज पे रखते हैं. Not talking about it. Sweet. So when I write, I try not to stress too much on why a joke is not coming. ऐसा नहीं बैठा कि यार आज लोग लिखते हैं कुछ नया सोचते हैं. Not like that. ऐसा आएगा ही नहीं.
Yeah.
But my writing process started because when I started my comedy journey.
Yeah.
Believe it when I say this, I had to sit every Wednesday for 3 hours during the pandemic and have a writing session with comedians and learn the art of writing.
Okay.
So I had a session with one of my friends from New York. So we used to sit and we used to write jokes every Sunday from all across the globe. There's a different algorithm of writing. You have to observe the pattern, reference video होता है, फिर सिखाते हैं. So I learned the principle. It's like proper coaching. So it's like comedy writing is not like ऐसा बकचोदी वाला joke लिख दिया.
मन में आ लिख.
नहीं. So it's like वो सीखने के बाद then the pattern stuck with me. So अभी जब मैं लिखता हूँ ना, पहले वो लिखा हुआ है तो मेरे को rhythm पता है. So I just write. I'm like, okay, this word is funny. This is not funny, fucking throw it. So that's my way of writing. But I don't.
जो नहीं वो try करके देख ले.
Correct. And if it doesn't work. So because once you are very confident enough that you can think of a better joke, you wouldn't give a fuck about your old joke. Simple. So that's my process of writing. I don't stress. Like अभी बात कर रहा हूँ तेरे साथ, इन लोगों से बात किया, टीम से बात किया. All the jokes were situational, impromptu. Correct?
अंदर से बाहर.
Correct. It is driven by people because they inspire you the conversation. कुछ मजाक ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे आप प्रिपेयर नहीं करते हो, लोग इंस्पायर करते हैं आपको, जो ऑटोमेटिक कल्टीवेट होता है. So it is by people. People make a huge impact, at least for me. तो मेरे को बाहर जाना पड़ता है, कहीं देखना पड़ता है, सोशल जाना पड़ता है, कॉमेडी क्लब पे जाना पड़ता है, किसी का एक्ट देखना पड़ता है, you know, like that.
Inspiration लेके
Right.
आते हैं।
That's my process, I would say.
Okay, so who's your favorite comedian?
There are like 5. No, Samir Raina is not one of them.
बंद कर।
I would say 5. 5 top. 5 in the top. 4. I would say 4. But okay, let's just start. Okay. The OGs: Bill Burr,
Okay,
Louis C.K.,
okay,
George Carlin,
okay.
Kevin Hart,
Kevin Hart, yeah.
and Jerry Seinfeld.
ये थोड़ा से रेडियस में आते हैं इंडिया के हिसाब से बात
India.
करते
I'm
हैं।
so sorry.
आधे लोग को नाम नहीं पता
I'm so sorry.
हमको Kevin Hart नहीं पता
These are not OGs. These are OGs. India के जितने भी comedian आप पसंद करते हो, you admire, these are the inspiration because comedy is a Western culture. It's not an Indian culture. So it's a Western culture. So so India में I like Biswa.
Biswa
I love Biswa Kalyan. I love that guy. Dude, if he was gay, I'd be the first person to go. Biswa Kalyan for his writing and intellectual comedy. I really like. I like Kamra. I like Kunal Kamra. I love Kamra because how humble he is. Because मैं ना उसके शो पे गया था. Because starting में क्या होता है? आप सीख रहे होते हो तो आप you have to be around great comedians to learn.
Yeah.
It's like coaching. So I went to a show and I opened the door. I said, "This camera खड़ा था." I was like, "क्या हो गई?" Like, "No, I have just come to meet you because I love your act." शो के लिए आया क्या? नहीं आपसे मिलने आया. बैठ ना. He literally made मेरा 1000 रुपये बच गया. He made me sit through a new special, 1 hour special. Made me sit and dude, I was mind blown with the way he's writing. उसके बाद I don't drink or smoke. I'm sorry. उसके बाद वो मैं और producer ऊपर जाके chill कर रहे थे. Then I realized that the man behind the microphone and the man after keeping down the microphone, 2 different people. Very humble person. So Biswa is my Kamra is my second favorite. And third, I really want to say Anirban Das Gupta.
Okay. I was waiting for Zakir Khan को बोलेगा
No, Zakir Khan is not a comedian.
है भाई
No, he is a poet. He's a storyteller. To me, see, to me, he's because my perspective, I'm just saying this. He's funny, mazak hai, but I would say he's a storyteller. He's a philosopher. He's a narrative person, right? He is a mahal set kind of guy. He's like a warm person. He's like a sugar daddy without the sugar. So you're like a sugar daddy for public. It's like that. So he's like a warm feeling. He's like घर पे है, बड़ा तकिया है, तक किया, अच्छा लग गया. He's like that. He's like that बड़ा तकिया.
ठीक है.
So that's my perspective about Zakir Khan.
ठीक है.
Again, humble. No, I would say Samay. I met him several times. I've seen his act. His writing is really good. Okay, I would say it's good. He's got a very bubblegum way of talking. Bubblegum way. क्या बता आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ. Like that, not a खींच के bubblegum way. That's a stone. But I would say his comedy and my comedy is just too different. I'm more into intellectual, satirical, little bit. I'm not too much into Lauda Lasoon. I haven't. First of all, Lauda Lasoon is such a great bad combination. Don't do it. It's an insult to Lasoon. Don't even do it. Right? It says Lasoon, we are losing for so many food items. It's just so offensive to Lasoon. If Lasoon was a real person, it will sue every Lauda. So, but nice guy. Samay is a nice, sweet guy. I met him, and I think people are talking about Leighton right now.
Yeah.
Leighton का चल रहा है, सब लोग का scene चल रहा है. मैं नहीं गया कभी Leighton. मैं ज़्यादा गया नहीं. पर मैं ज़्यादा एक बार समय बोला कि भाई a very sweet person, a very hang-out, chill person. बोला thank you करके that's it. That's fine. I'm like some comedians you respect them from far. Some of them you want to learn from, and some of them you want to be really close friends. ऐसा ही होता है
उनको ऐसे कोई नहीं पसंद नहीं है पब्लिक को
ऐसा नहीं
ऑन स्टेज क्यों बोले यार
वो घर पे आने के बाद लोग इंटरनेट पे बोले मुझे चाहे कमेंट सेक्शन में But no, there's a lot of politics in comedy. You know that, right?
ये भी होता है?
There's a lot of politics in comedy.
Like,
People
tell me about it. ना आपने वो भाई ना भाई अब तो जानना है सन्नाटे को चीरते हुए सबसे
And there's a lot of politics in comedy. Like there's just politics in terms of producers not liking you, comedians not liking you. People, if people don't like you, they're common. If people don't fucking like you, they talk shit about you. Correct.
Yeah, this is very common.
Very common. They don't even know you, but they just don't like you. That is not. I don't know obsession or this guard. I don't know. But that happens in the comedy industry where a producer or a comedian, they don't like you or they don't resonate with your comedy. होता है, ठीक है. But वो beef है. That beef is there. That not all comedians are supposed to like you. You should be okay with that. And not a lot of producers are the main people in the comedy industry. You have to be respectful to the producers. If he's giving you respect, if he's treating you like shit, then don't. Okay? But producers are the main people, right? हर चीज में वो बंदा, comedy कर रहा है.
अब producer ये सुनेंगे.
Have helped me. I'm so sorry. A lot of producers who have helped me start my career. Like who have given me spots. There's something called as spots. जब ओपन स्पॉट्स रहता है बुलाते हैं या फिर पैसे दे के, तेरे को पता है पैसे दे के परफॉर्म करना होता है कॉमेडी इंडस्ट्री में, तेरे को पता है?
ये मैंने पहली बार सुना.
या सो
मेरे को लगा मैक्सिमम उसके ओपन माइक में फ्री में काम करते हैं.
No. Any comedian who is starting, I think you guys must have known this. कोई भी बंदा कॉमेडी चालू करेगा ना, चल तू चालू किया, ठीक है, and you're starting it like 6 months, 7 months, because you're a new face, but you have to pay for your spot, which means that you have to pay 200 rupees, 150 rupees for 3 minutes. Starting.
3 minutes.
Yes. I know the Marwadi thing is coming out. पे भी payment करना पड़ेगा. Yes. Whether it is open mic or then they like देखो शुरुआत पे it's like a business investment. बहुत लोगों का ना 2 लाख 3 लाख ऐसे ही 200 रुपया 300 रुपया देके हो गया है, कब का हो गया है. So open, you have to initially pay for your spots.
Like literally paid.
Yes.
Get into it.
Yes.
मेरे को perform करना है.
Yes. I'm like there are multiple agencies where I tell the producer like sir मेरे को perform करना है. Can I? हाँ ठीक है आ जाओ. It will cost you like around 200 rupees or something. And there are forms which are there are groups. There are groups. There are WhatsApp groups of comedy where people talk about producers.
Yeah.
जैसे acting में theatre में comedy का भी होता है. It's a process. It's a very strict process, and you have to pay that money, and then they will clock you. The rule about comedy is you have to value time because you're doing 5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 मिनट बोला तो 5 मिनट ही करना पड़ेगा. अगर if you overstep, that's disrespectful. Then you can get banned. I mean, अगर तू
You won't be allowed the next time.
correct. And if you're a great comedian, you value time. रिश्ता अलग है तो वो बात अलग है. But the rule of the comedy is value time because it's time based, bro. 5 मिनट दिया तो 5 मिनट ही बोलेगा ना.
5 मिनट में नहीं हुआ तो fuck off.
That's हो गया. That's it, done. So because you are on a line, because वो clock पे कम से कम 8 या 9 कॉमिक्स खड़े हैं. तू हो गया, मैं हो गया, एक बंदा हो गया, टक 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 करके. But the producer doesn't have the time to see ये मतलब बहुत अच्छे, अरे इसको वो बाद में आएगा. Once वो बाद में आएगा, वो रिश्ता बनाना पड़ता है. So I have been in that position where I've had shitty producers, I've had nice producers. Okay, I've had shitty audience, I've had shitty comedians, I've had a lot of like stuff, dude. ऐसा पोटलक का bullshit है मैं खाया हूँ मैं. But it's the process. For anybody starting comedy, you have to be ready for all of this. Yes, so that is my
It
job.
was deep, dude. I
Yeah.
was.
Nobody talks about this. Nobody
Like,
talks
I
about this.
personally know people from Vikruti. Like they never charge artists for coming in and performing.
Vikruti?
Vikruti, यार Vikruti नहीं. Yeah, ironically Vikruti के पीछे पड़े.
No, but Vikruti is different. Vikruti events I got introduced very recently. He approached me.
He's a nice guy. I don't think so.
Dude, he approached me and he wanted to start a comedy scene in Mulund because थाने मुलुंड में comedy नहीं हो रहा है. थाने मुलुंड में politics ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Politician ज़्यादा है उधर. वो हो रहा है, but comedy नहीं हो रहा है. तो
मुलुंड में कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है तो इसने चालू किया अभी.
I don't want to say anything about that place right now. Simple. So, yeah, when he approached me, he's like, yeah, bro, मेरे को करना है, why don't you just come? What are your charges? How much do you charge? I said, depends how much you're booking me for an hour and a half, depends, you know. So then, no, bro, मैं comedy से चालू करना चाहता हूँ, can you help me? I said, yeah, sure, I can recommend you if you come. So he put me to couple of open spots. He started an open mic, mixed mic.
Yeah.
Mixed mic is where you have multiple artists, right? So then he called me, and I put my solo. I did my 1 hour solo with Vikroti.
Wow.
Yeah, trial. It was a trial show, went really well. So because I wanted to do, मैंने solo काफी किया है. अंधेरी बैंड्रा जूहू में that's the ideal place people go. But I've never done a solo which is near to our territory where we stay.
भाई खाने के बाजू में हम बोल रहे हैं.
Correct. So that was the first thing, great experience. What I like about that particular agency is the people are very sweet, very warm people, very supportive people. So yeah, that's the reason I like performing. So yeah, Vikroti is good. I think they should do line-up shows. There's one topic I want to talk about.
Tell me.
Oyo. I just, you know that Oyo, the Oyo owner has told that no single people can get inside. You know that, right?
Yeah, heard about it. I haven't been there. माथा टिक के तो नहीं है. तुम बता दो.
You know why he did that? You know, because he got married.
मेरा हो गया अपन अपना देख.
That's it. That is the only thing. But then when I told this to my friend that Oyo is not taking married, and he's like that makes no sense, because can I take my wife and she can bring her lover and I bring my girlfriend and go? And he can go, हाँ बोल सकता है, because you didn't say married to each other, right? Right? Or can a girl go with her girlfriend and say she's her girlfriend and they're married and go? You know?
That doesn't make sense to me. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I have a lot of friends who keep me updated on where they're going, so I don't go to Oyo rooms. I don't need to go. Okay, I went there once, but it was not because of other reasons. Well, a meeting था.
Then where did you go?
मेरा meeting था उधर, बस meeting था. So room is healthy. Okay, being very honest, Oyo rooms are really hygienic. It's not a lounge. It's really good. It's really good. Okay, so maybe that's the reason you want to get laid often.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching until now. I really appreciate your patience and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me.
Subscribe to my channel. ठीक है. उसके बाद इसका कर देना.